So we're at the Patungan Beach and Cove here. Just like hanging out with the family. You guys like it? Is it amazing, guys?
Yeah.
Having fun?
Yeah.
How about you, baby?
Yes.
I'm gonna fly out my drone here real quick. Do you like this place? Huh? Let me see your shoes. Oh. Voila. Huh?
Voila.
Beach? What's the name of this beach, baby? You know?
Patungan.
Go, go, go.
1,
Yeah.
2, 3, 4. Yeah! Antay na. Tatalon din naman.
How's my baby girl? So you show them how you roll. It's so hot, huh? There you go. Hey, we're gonna get ready. Let me see your shirt. What does your shirt say? Grandpa adores me. There you go. She can't sit back. She always wants to know what's going on. Mommy's dressing you up to look so pretty. All of Asia, guys. You're so tired, baby? Look at them. You're so hot, huh, baby? Let's go.
We are young, let's be stupid. Just you, me, and the night. The one thing we should know is that we got plenty of time. That we got plenty of time. That we got plenty of time. Don't know a thing about what this is like. I don't want to.
We're at the SM skating rink at SM South Mall, and the kids are having a blast.
Feel alive, live in the moment, let the future arrive. I'm gonna tell the world the way it's going down. Let tomorrow be tomorrow, not here now. Won't let them bother me, I'm not gonna waste my time. Come and join it, get it started in this town. I'd rather be fun than what they say won't be safe and sound. There's time have now. And while we are young, let's be stupid, just you, me, and the night. The one thing we should know is that we got plenty of time.